Put away so I tip on hardwood floors. 10 across the board. Face. Yeah, your face card never declines. Oh my God, eat it. Yummy, make the bunny eat it.
Hi there, welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. My name is E.D'OR. Come on, let's go. Let's make these recipes. First up, I'll be making a chia pudding. This is meant to help your digestion, and if you're a bit backed up, this will really help. So I love to eat this first thing in the morning. You will need maple syrup, coconut milk, and oat milk, sugar-free of course. I mix that all up to get rid of the coconut lumps. And then last up, I'll be putting in my chia seed. I usually leave this overnight because I really like to get all those benefits, and I feel like it tastes much better overnight. The intention of this recipe is mostly to get your bowel movements going. Yeah, I think that's enough said for that. Okay, so second up, this is my regular. This is what I eat usually. You will need oat milk, ashwagandha powder, your quinoa. Make sure you clean your quinoa. It tastes so much better, and it's like rice. You have to rinse it out. There's like this weird aftertaste if you don't, and I'm sure some people don't like quinoa because of that, but it's probably because it wasn't washed. Okay, so while I was filming this, I put way too much oat milk. It took a long time to cook, but you really don't need that much. And to sweeten it, of course, my favorite, maple syrup. That's literally the only thing I use as a sweetener. I just don't trust the other stuff, to be quite honest. And I live in Canada and we have amazing maple syrup. And a dash of cinnamon. Okay, second part to this recipe will be the blueberry acai. Some people call it acai, I don't know. I'm gonna go with acai. You will need blueberries, oat milk, and my favorite protein. I get it from Amazon. The ingredients are simple. That's what I like. I like very simple, so I know what I'm putting in my body. I just put a little bit because I already have quinoa, which is filled with protein, so I didn't really need that much. It is vanilla flavored, so it gives it a nice taste with the blueberries. You can add fruits, hemp seeds. It's also good like this. I usually just add banana, but today I didn't have anything, so this is how I'm eating it. I didn't want to fake it. I show you guys what I really do. So yeah, so this is how I ate it, and it was lovely. Okay, and my third option, la pièce de résistance, to be quite honest. This is great if you're low on iron and want to eat something more hearty. You will need chickpea. You can crush them like this. Chickpeas are my eggs. Yeah, pretty much. So you just add thyme, paprika. If you know, you know. Mix that all up. I also love adding nutritional yeast to get that extra like cheesy vegan flavor. I don't know how to explain it because it doesn't taste like cheese, but it tastes super good. Add some vegan butter, garlic, green onions, sun-dried tomatoes, and bell peppers. Let that simmer. Add your spices and the chickpeas and let that simmer. I add more green onions. This is just a preference for that extra crunch. And I'll be drinking chlorophyll water. Ooh. And this is how quick I eat this. It's so good. It's one of my favorite. And while I'm eating this, I love watching vlogs from my favorite, Rudy B. She lives in Haiti, so I get to, live through her in Haiti. It's just, I love her vlogs. All of the ingredients can be found in the description box, as well as all of the benefits of the ingredients. And thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
It wasn't you that said that I didn't look too good, that I wouldn't do too good. I never make it out the hood. I want you to know that I'm doing so good. So good, so good, so good.